Hey guys, we are back with another video. Here you can see the donkey is carrying luggage, I can say woods from forest to home. I'm going to show you another video. Here you can see they are carrying heavy woods so easily. So they are, we can say they are helper of villagers. Here you can see a man is riding at the back of donkey. I'm going to show you a donkey who is grazing the grass on the fields. This donkey is looking at us. He needs grass to eat. I'm going to show you a baby donkey. Here you can see he is running. You can listen the sound of the donkey as well. So there are three donkeys in outside of the village. This donkey wants to eat. Here you can see she's eating the carrot. So please subscribe our channel. We will bring to you the videos of different animals, not only donkeys, in upcoming days. I'm uploading a video daily. So subscribe us and be with us. Goodbye.